Dr. Patrick here, Scott Lee Hot Rods. We're at SEMA 2023 with the family Truckster, presented by Seatbelt Planet. I'm here today with Eric McClanahan of Seatbelt Planet. Hey Eric, how you doing? Good to see you. All right. Hey, one thing we've noticed in every car here, whether it's a hot rod, a lifted truck, a sports car, it doesn't matter. They all got one thing in common. They have seatbelts because it's the law. Okay? We don't think about seatbelts as being part of a hot rod. It doesn't make your car faster, but it gets you home safe. And Seatbelt Planet are the guys that do that for us. So we partnered with them this year because when you're taking your drive cross country, you want to be safe. And in this car we had a lot of seatbelts. It's a station wagon. It carries 9 people. It's a lot of seatbelts. We want to make sure they were right and we were safe. So we called up Seatbelt Planet. They hooked us up, showed us how it was done, and we've got beautiful seatbelts. So we're going to take you inside and show you how it was done. So here we are inside the family Truckster, and when we started this build, these seatbelts were disgusting. They were tan because they matched the interior, and in the movie they're actually brown. But they were almost brown because they were stained, they were really dirty, and they just looked terrible. And we wanted them to be safe too, and they were really frayed on the edges, so we didn't know how intact they were and how stable they were. So we called our friends at Seatbelt Planet, and we took all the seatbelts out, sent them over to them, and they made them look incredible. It's a nice dark brown. So, Eric, how did you do this? Did you paint them? Did you re-dye them? How do you make these seatbelts look so good?
So if you want your seatbelts re-webbed, go online or call us over the phone. We'll get you a re-web project set up. Basically, you'll send your seatbelts in to us. We'll replace the webbing or the fabric material with the color of your choice and send them back to you. We've got about 50 colors in stock, and we can get you taken care of.
So those are actually all brand new seatbelts? You didn't just clean them up?
So we're going to reuse your factory hardware, your buckles, tongues, retractors, and other components. We're going to replace the webbing or the fabric material so they'll bolt right back in. You'll have no issues. They actually work quite a bit better with the new webbing. A little bit slicker, feels really nice in the hand, and you're going to really enjoy your new seatbelts.
So there you go. Get your ride some nice new seatbelts. Keep your passengers and your family safe and secure while you're out cruising the town. Visit Seatbelt Planet for more information.